Hi, my name's Claire. At the start of this year I attended the Social and Emotional Learning and Resilience Workshop. I'm currently an ESO, I work in primary school, I work with the preps. I also have two young boys, one who has been diagnosed with ASD, who has social and emotional learning needs as well. So this course has been great. I can interact between school and home and link it all together. It was really well presented by Anna. She was really knowledgeable, very interactive with us, always really engaging. We were moving, we were talking, we were discussing different ways things could work and how they weren't going to work, how they were relatable to the students we were working with or previous or past students we've worked with, how we can change it to adapt going into the future working with our students as well. It wasn't boring, like some courses you get taught by people who are really, I've been here forever, I'm sick of doing this. Anna was not like that. She's obviously very passionate. She's worked in the field for so many years and it all came through. Like, she made it so relevant for us. And us, I mean, we worked with a number of different people in our course, all from different walks of life. So we had parents, we have carers, we have teachers, other ESOs like myself were there, all just trying to find ways to help the different students and children that we work with on a day-to-day basis, and definitely got that out of this course. She came in with heaps of different resources we could use, books we could reference. We also walked away with resources we could use ourselves, one of which I was able to take into my classroom. I work with emotional needs of some of my students and I was able to link it straight in with what I'm teaching them. But I was able to adapt it, take it home with my son, play games, and I know I could have used this when I was working in a secondary setting because it would have been so much more helpful than what I was using then. And everything I could draw back on too. So I've got a really easy detail of a step-by-step of the course with my own notes, so I could go back, reference it anytime. So it became really useful for us. Everyone was really lovely, really friendly, easy to get along with, and I walked away so excited by how I could use this course in my everyday and how I could bring it with my kids at school, and went home and spoke to the teachers and went, oh, I learnt this or I learnt that, and I've gone out and got myself books that I can use in class and reference because they were just, I wouldn't have known if I hadn't been shown by Anna. So I really appreciate the course because I know I'm going to go home with so much more information and better understanding of working with students with ASD and how to link it all to their social emotional needs that I didn't quite understand as well before.